We live in a world of endless noise, yet nature speaks in silence, a language of wind and water, of growth and stillness. We see it, but do we truly notice the way it adapts, persists, thrives, even when we forget to care? We build and consume, while it gives and sustains. We take its strength for granted, yet it asks nothing in return. What if we slowed down? What if we listened to the quiet rhythm beneath our busy lives, to the balance we so often disrupt? Nature doesn't need us to survive, but we can't live without it. So take a moment, breathe in, see the beauty that's always been there, because when we honor the earth, we honor ourselves.